a review of my BB, what's this? Into It BB Makeup Cream 5-in-1. Ito yung itsura niya. And, ang shade ko is in Ivory, which is sobrang light. Actually, may kodigo ako dito para wala akong makalimutan. So, ayan, meron naman akong vlog. Ililink ko na lang siya description box. So, yan. Product claims na 5-in-1 siya, which is foundation, makeup base, concealer, sun protection, SPF 30, and has moisturizer. So, yan. So, sa foundation, there's something special kasi about this BB cream. Meron siyang Bio Bright Complex para mag-help na magmukhang brighter and whiter yung face complexion nyo. And pag binlend nyo siya, meron din siyang ingredients na which includes anti-choke, grapes, mulberry, saccharifrage, sarmentosa, and mica. And it is waterproof formulation, contains silica for oil control and mushroom extract to tighten pores for a smoother facial look. Contains 60% of natural ingredients, no fragrance, and no oil-free. And oil-free pala. Choke. So, yan. Sa foundation, parang ang ganda. Sa makeup base naman, description to sa ng box ata yun. Ensures day-long wear for face powder and two-way foundation. Tapos, concealer conceals fine lines, blemishes, and dark spots. Sa sun protection naman, sun, kasi kung wala, magkaka-wrinkles. Yung sun kasi, bad for the skin. It has with the moisturizer, aloe vera, and vitamin E. For the packaging, yung sa blog ko, I give this packaging 9/10. Kasi maganda siya. Yan, tingnan nyo. It's like, it has the same packaging as the Pond's BB Cream, BB Plus. Then, ayan, tingnan nyo yung takip. But, yung amount pala ng product na to is 20 ml lang. Which is similar to the Maybelline. Maliit lang siya talaga. Small. But this product is a bit expensive. Hindi ako sure kung how much ko to nabili. I think it's 300 plus. So, basta, I'm gonna link the price in the description box below. Tagal ko na kasi siyang nabili. Slick. Maganda siya. One thing lang na I'm not a fan of is because of this one here. Kasi pag masyadong naglagay kayo ng pressure dito, nagtitend siya na mag-break yung dito. So, just be careful with that. Pero so far, wala pa naman ako na-experience na ganun. So, thumbs up pa din. And, I'm in Ivory ata, ang color na to. And, yan. It's very creamy. So, super creamy niya. It's not watery at all, which is nice. Sobrang daling mag-blend. Sobrang light niya talaga. Sabi kasi nung sales lady na ito yung shade ko, which is definitely not. But you can work it out. One thing I love about this product is sobrang bango niya, which is very nice. Sobrang puti talaga. So, what I'm gonna do is extend ko na lang siya sa akin. Oops. neck area para magmukhang blended sa ears. Oh, I look so weird. So, yan yung first layer. First layer ng BB cream. Sobrang puti. My God. Para akong bakla. So, gagawa tayo ng second layer. Check lang natin if it's buildable or hindi. Yung BB cream na to. Okay, let's do the second layer. Grabe, sobrang puti. Sobrang parang nagki-cake up dito, banda dito. Blend ko muna. Nakatakot yung mukha ko. Weird. So, yan. So, it's for... Oh, I'm sorry. It's for... So, I'm gonna be back later para sa update ng face ko. See you later, alligator. Bye! So, wait lang. Mag-update lang ako. If you can see my nose dito, medyo nagkikik yung banda dito. Dito, not sure. Basta nagkikik siya dito. Sobrang, pangit. Ay. So, yan. I'm gonna be back. Hi, guys! So, I'm back. And it's 8:05 na. 8:05 p.m. and this is how my face looks like. Closer look. Decide kung anong sasabi niyo. It's been 4 hours and ito na yung face ko and galing kaming procession. So, ayan, medyo mahaba din nilakad namin and medyo pinagpawisan ng onte. Hi guys, so I'm back with a conclusion for this BB cream. Ang likes ko for this BB cream is meron siyang SPF 30. Sobrang ganda nun. Sobrang ganda ng packaging. It's travel friendly. So you can just put it in your bag and you can go. It doesn't contain any parabens, which is amazing. Sobrang bango niya. Strong sa taste ko. Sa coverage naman, it covers actually yung mga red spots. Kung maliit lang naman yung mga pimples, kung wala naman kayong pimples, wala kayong acne, then I do recommend this. So sa dislikes ko is it accentuates my fine lines, which is not something na maganda. It claims to have no fragrance. Sobrang creamy niya. Sobrang creamy talaga ng product. It tends to get super cakey. I always get cakey in here and dito sa forehead. Sa coverage niya, which nagka-cover lang siya ng red spots. So you tend to like layer the product into your face, like para mag-cover up lang talaga yung mga imperfections ng face nyo. But tried applying this 2 times and looks way worse. It's, oh, grabe, ang pangit talaga. Para kung, parang, ang weird, parang namamalat yung face ko. It doesn't cover my imperfections. Yun talaga yung main point ko. Of course, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng concealer. For the overall conclusion, hindi ko gusto yung BB cream. Kasi, yun, hindi siya nagka-cover. Pero, may pero. You can use it as your makeup base. Chinray ko siya. And, maganda. Sobrang ganda ng finish niya. Naglulook dewy siya. But lang is, heavy lang talaga masyado yung makeup niyo. It's not something na maganda for a daily, for everyday makeup. Yung sobrang heavy. But if you're going for like party, clubbing, due to like lack of sleep and studying, and I tend to have like lots of pimple marks, kaya I always find time to look for products that can cover all my imperfections. So yun, I just don't like looking not presentable when going out somewhere. So will I buy this product again? Definitely not. No. I will not buy this product again. Siguro I'm just gonna look for another product na worth my money. I bought this for 399.75. It's a bit expensive actually. I'm very disappointed with this product. Akala ko maganda kasi mahal nga. Disclaimer lang, this is my opinion only. Hindi ko sinasabi na pangit siya or whatsoever. Opinion ko lang to, and it's based on my skin. So we have different skin types. Medyo magva-vary kasi yun. Siguro if oily kayo, this will work magic for you. But for dry skin, I think this will work worse than ever. So, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. See you in my next video. Bye!